Namaste, welcome to sesrekitchen.com. Today I am making ginger pickle. Everyone has their own way of making this pickle. Today I will share my own way and it is very easy. Let us look at the ingredients. I washed and cut the ginger into small pieces. Now these are 2 cups of small ginger pieces. 2 cups of jaggery. For 2 cups of ginger we need 2 cups of jaggery. Half a cup of tamarind. What I did with tamarind was I removed the seeds and the fibers and sprinkled some hot water. Then I kept it aside for about 15 minutes. Now it looks soft like this. Then I have half a cup of salt and half a cup of red chilli powder. Now I am going to put all these 5 ingredients in a food processor and make into a paste. First of all, adding my ginger pieces in the food processor. Here goes jaggery, pink Himalayan salt, now the tamarind and the red chilli powder. Now I am going to run the food processor to make a chunky paste. As you can see, I made it into a slightly chunky paste. It is not too fine. You can see small chunks of ginger in it. I like it this way, but if you want a fine paste, you can do it. Now let us do tempering for ginger pickle. To make tempering, I have a thick bottom pan on medium heat and I am taking 1 cup of sesame oil into the pan. While the oil is heating, let us look at the other ingredients for tempering. Chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric powder. You can add some garlic also if you want. Hing or asafoetida, 4 red chilies. You can add more if you want, and a few curry leaves. The oil is hot. Now add the chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Stir them. Add the red chilli pieces and keep stirring. Add hing or asafoetida, curry leaves and turmeric powder. Now add the prepared ginger mixture to the tempering. Mix it well carefully. Cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes in the low flame to remove any moisture from the ginger pickle. Stir it in between. You can store this pickle for about 6 months in the room temperature. Do not use any wet spoons. Switch off the flame and let the pickle cool down. When the pickle is cold, keep it in a clean and dry glass bottle. Make sure the oil is floating on the surface. Please try this simple recipe and give me your feedback. For more pickles, chutneys and many more other recipes, check out my website itsisrekhaskitchen.com. Please don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching my video.